can make today's video. We're going to talk about YouTube SEO. So we need to back up just a little bit. So normally back a decade or two, whatever, it's always been google.com and having SEO content that drives traffic to your website or to your blog. Fairly recently, as in maybe a year, I've been seeing people pivoting from that focus to the second largest website in the world, and that is YouTube. Some people refer to this as YouTube SEO. So what are some of the benefits of doing this? Well, people get to know you, regardless if they see your face or a representative of your company, or maybe it's even faceless. You start building confidence and trust, and eventually they'll contact you with a decision to engage in your service or purchase. So what you want to do is create your videos, but in your videos, you want to have a call to action. Tell them go to your description and click on to learn more, purchase, join something, whatever the call to action is. Now, YouTube does have an algorithm to help to promote your videos, but we can supplement that by going to social media with links back to the video, because that's the sales funnel. After you do the manual effort, we go to step 2, and I'm going to show you how to automate that process. We're going to use a Google spreadsheet, a few clicks. It's going to call make.com's, which is a no-code platform. It's going to take what you uploaded, which is the transcript, into a Google Doc, leverage AI, create posts applicable to these social media platforms, grab a YouTube thumbnail, and then when it makes these posts, you have the content, some hashtags, and the most important thing, the link back to your video where that sales funnel exists. And if you stay to the end, I will show you how you can actually get some of these assets so you can start using. Now, where does the income come from? How do you make money from this? Well, you can actually take this spreadsheet, make.com, what's called the exported blueprint. I've got a little low code attached to the Google spreadsheet. And you can reach out to your circle of friends or business associates and see if they have a YouTube channel. Or if not, maybe you can explain to them why it's important to do so and offer them your service, driving more traffic to their video. And that's what we're going to demonstrate step by step. Now, number 3 here, I'm thinking of a part 2 in this series. What a lot of people do, they recommend, well, why don't you create some shorter videos for the longer video? In this case, YouTube Shorts, which has the purpose of, just like the social media, to drive to the main video where the call to action is. So this part 3 is more complex. I'm not even sure if I can pull it off, but we're going to try. It's kind of like maybe taking that thumbnail, overlay of text with voice, and do it automatically. So if this interests you, then let's get started.